Did you build the box? You want to give me a build walk around real quick? And your name?
Dennis. It's just a 2 RE18s, 5-wood box.
5 points. Oh, a DD Audio M2B?
Yep.
At 1 ohm, half ohm, where you wired to?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know right off the top of my head.
Okay.
I know, oh, that's been a while.
That's all right. That was a burp. Frequency. You have any like anything a little lower?
What the hell is that?
They're revving the truck.
What the hell is going on? Alright, let's go back to this here.
Is this a capacitor?
What's that?
That's a capacitor?
Yeah, 35.
Okay. Did you build the box? Wow. What's it tuned to?
32 hertz is what the thing's
Really?
supposed to be.
Okay. What did it meter?
143.6.
143. Oh wow.
Stock alternator, stock battery.
Okay, so it's just stock and a wow, stock class then pretty much. Okay. What was your name?
Dennis.
Dennis. Okay. Okay. What vehicle is this?
89 Nissan Pathfinder.
All right.
Test tubes.
Nice Alpine head unit.
SBL test tubes. Let's see. See what it does at 32.
32.
That's
Uh-oh.
what it's supposed to do. To the cord to the
Yeah.
suspension box.
So that's just a note. Oh, you're playing a tone. Whoa. So that's like a tone towards where your peak is at 32 hertz. Wow. Okay.
That's according to this thing right here. That's what it is.
Okay. You have any music, or is it just?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what it says right here.
That felt more like a frequency.
Yeah. I gotta find everything again.
It's all right, man. What you got in here? Sundown 6.5? Nice. Okay. You still learning the USB stuff?
Yeah, this radio's a little difficult. That's not.
There you go. That's it.
Is it?
Yeah, you can select different files within the USB.
I have no clue.
So like hit button. Here, I'll help you. I'm sorry. If you didn't know, I'll help you. So see, there's different options, and
I didn't know what
Future's a good one. If you didn't know in the head unit, here I'll show you real quick. So if you press the button, you're searching. So I guess to go back's right here. So it's a USB, so you can select different options. Like see, this is DJ SN, so DJ slow and throw. So when you select that, now you're into different music within that. So I don't know, you probably seem to like the highs a little more, but there's different music you can choose from that. Basically, if you don't know, you could just keep clicking until it starts playing something. See, so just playing a song. So, this one should do good. Yeah, I'll let you control it. It's your mount. This one's called B. Yeah, appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Huh?
It ain't like that thing you got down there.
Oh yeah, it's different. I just like to check it out, man. They like to see it, man. So your voltage, what is it? Just because it's stock, drawing a lot of power?
Yeah, everything is stock. They're stock battery, stock alternator. The only thing I got is that 30 Faraday camper.
Okay. I hope I mean, you didn't know how to use the USB. It takes a while.
It takes.
Yeah.
I was looking down there at Allen's a while ago, and they were running a double DIN touchscreen.
Double DIN touch. Okay. That's a lot easier. That you just gotta sit there and feed through. It's annoying.
I'm probably gonna bump it up to that.
Okay. What does it say? Why be normal? That's pretty cool. Oh, excuse me.
My trucks. I got the other one.
Okay.
It's not running.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back?
Sure.
The way it has it look? Appreciate the little demo. I know you're still learning it. I like the tires. That's pretty cool. Static life. Is it locked?
No, it's just aggravating.
Okay. So that's a pretty deep box. Wow. And you built the box? Yeah. How big is it? You know the cubes?
14.2 or 3, I think.
Okay.
What it ended up being.
Are you planning to seal it off? Oh, okay.
That's what I'm building now.
Awesome. That'll be a fun project.
Oh yeah.
You're from Guyton, Georgia?
Huh? I'm actually from Bullitt County.
Bullitt County, okay. Appreciate it, man.
I'm gonna move the box up about 10 inches.
Yes, sir.
The wall's gonna come like this.
Are you gonna seal it off, you think, or?
I think so. Okay.
That'll help a lot.
And I'm gonna put a wall across the back and I'm gonna mount it with all the amps and stuff behind the box and set it in the front.
Okay, got it. Awesome. going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.